Hi everyone, good day. I am Abel Birat from BS in English 2A, and today I'm going to talk about the carbon cycle and what happens when carbon dioxide levels in our atmosphere keep rising. Normally the carbon cycle helps everything in balance, but human activities like burning fossil fuels and cutting down forests have thrown that balance off, and this has serious effect on our planet. When CO2 levels go up, the earth gets warmer. We see glaciers melting, sea levels rising, and more extreme weather like stronger storms, floods, and long droughts. This doesn't just affect the environment, but it also threatens animals, farming, and even our own health. Another big problem is ocean acidification. When too much CO2 dissolves into seawater, it harms marine life, especially corals and shellfish, and that depend on calcium carbonate to survive. What can we do about it? One strategy is switching to clean energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower to cut down on fossil fuel use. Another reforestation, planting more trees because they absorb carbon naturally. We can also practice sustainable farming and avoid deforestation so that more carbon stays stored in plants and soil. And of course, simple things like saving energy and reducing waste all add up to lowering emissions. Now, in conclusion, rising CO2 levels are disrupting the carbon cycle and causing climate change. But by reducing emissions and protecting natural carbon sinks, we can restore balance and safeguard our planet for future generations. The carbon cycle is the foundation of life on Earth, and it's our job to keep it stable. I hope you learn from this discussion, everyone, on how we balance our carbon cycle. Once again, I am Abel Birot. Thank you.